Hey Saver Beauty, you're in Amazon, but are you the brand they click or the one they skip? I was checking out your Radiance Sun Milk listing and I wanted to do a quick breakdown for you, but first, congrats on making it to Amazon. I know just how competitive this category is, so seeing this was a job well done. My name is Jewel, a business development representative for my Amazon guy, and I just wanted to share a few ideas that your team might want to explore for improvement. So, in this video, I'll be sharing tips on improving your SEO, traffic, and conversion rates. So, let's jump right in. First, let's talk about traffic, and what drives traffic to your listing comes down to your keywords. And looking at your distribution here, I can see you're organically indexing for 73, and this gets you free exposure. However, there's still hundreds of additional keywords you can index for, and you can check out this word cloud as this highlights some of the strongest keyword opportunities in your listing. I also see that you're not running ads, and this could mean you're leaving money on the table because paid traffic is actually the fastest way to grow sales, and this can be done profitably if you know what keywords to target. Now, I highly encourage you to increase your organic coverage here as this gets you seen on Amazon for free. Down here, you will find the highest search keywords in your category sorted by search volume. So right now, we are looking at your biggest traffic opportunities. And as you can see, it's just an empty space right here. So take a look at the keyword sunscreen with over 500,000 searches, as well as face sunscreen with 130,000, and you're not being seen at all. So imagine the increase in sales if customers can find you using these keyword phrases. Now we can help you optimize your SEO to start getting organic traffic here. To give this some context, here's how big your category is on Amazon. And just in the top 50 listings on the keyword phrase face sunscreen alone, there's over $40 million in monthly revenue, and the top sellers are averaging 570 grand monthly. Now, I see there's still plenty of market share available here that you can tap into. So for this ASIN specifically, you're able to sell 7 units, generating $266, which is not really getting your fair share here. So imagine getting as much as the average. Now we can help you grow your market share through SEO by focusing on improving your conversions and your click-through rates. Let's take a look at another brand here. This is from Elta MD. Yeah, but just to clarify, we are not comparing products here at all. I know there's a difference here. Maybe price-wise, you're at a level field, but maybe the size or the key ingredients. And there is also not a small business, but being in the same category, I think their keyword data still shows where the opportunities are for your product. So this brand was able to sell through 85 units compared to your 7. And looking at their distribution, this right here is what's driving the difference. So they're organically indexing for way more keywords, 5,000 versus your 73. And that usually means that their listing is better optimized and getting more clicks. That's why their sales are higher. Now, of course, they're running ads, but this is not the ratio we want. The goal is to get more sales without overspending. But we can help you close the gap here by first expanding your keyword coverage. So we can run a keyword gap analysis where we identify your top 10 competitors and integrate their high converting keywords into your own listing. And speaking of keywords, we can also share this keyword export for free if you book a quick call with us. Moving on to your product detail page, I can see you've already adjusted your title for Amazon's upcoming changes, which is great. The next opportunity here is to make sure that these 75 characters are doing as much heavy lifting as possible. So we have less space to work with. So it's important to prioritize your most valuable keywords. I see you've got your bullet points here, so good job, but make sure you also update them regularly because SEO is not really set and forget. Image stack, so main image on a white background, infographics, feature photos, angle shots. You have your demographic image and lifestyle photo as well in one. You can also add videos to help with your listing's credibility. Down here, I see you guys are missing your A plus content, and this could be the deciding factor that makes buyers choose your product. So let me show you a well optimized example here. On Amazon, large images convert better, and you can use up to 7 modules, incorporate 500 to 1,000 words of copy to use your SEO and index more. You can also add a product grid for easy comparison as well as a brand story module like this to create a strong brand presence with clickable links over here to increase your average order value. So, yeah, those are just a few of the many things we can do for your brand. And if you want to know more, you can book a free consultation with us using the book a call button at the end of this video. You'll speak with an Amazon expert, learn more about our services, and get a personalized recommendation based on your goals and budget. My Amazon Guy is a full service Amazon agency managing all pillars of Amazon. So, whether you're losing rank, overspending on ads, or need help scaling, we bring data backed strategies that deliver real results. Thanks for watching and have a good one.